Hey guys, I just got back from class and I'm hungry and I want to get a Subway sandwich. Come with me to go get it. I get up and I walk over to my helmet and I grab, actually no, I don't want to wear the helmet right now. Don't judge me. I'm just going to Subway. I don't have to go on any main roads. It's just, I basically have to go through a parking lot, so I'm not, it's okay, don't judge me. Typically I wear that thing everywhere I go, except for just if I'm getting Subway or gas, because yeah, but I go out the door and then I lock it. Crap. Yeah. I test it. We're good. Okay, now I go out of this door. That's my roommate's car. It's in the disabled spot. Then I walk this way until I reach Michelle. As you can see, this is where all the cool people park, and everything here looks cool, you know. And then there's me, this guy. I get on the moped, I stick the key in, and then I start it up. Now she has started and I make my way towards the Subway. Now, I'm at the Subway. I walk in and I get a sandwich. I got it. I will also be trying the footlong pretzel because I want to know if it's good. Michelle here has a cool feature where I can lift up her butt and I can put sandwiches in there. It's really cool. It would be even cooler if that's not where the gas also went. I parked home, put that there, get that open. Take that out, close that up, grab the key, and I head back over to the apartment. You guys, this footlong pretzel is pretty good. I recommend it. I'm also watching Breaking Bad. That was good. Thanks for watching.